Hi. Let's take a look at some interesting design techniques today. And let me tell you the secrets. Let's practice on Ronaldo's magic logo. In the same way, be sure to subscribe to our channel for new technologies as well to enjoy your support. In the same way, This is the technique that you can easily design the same logo. We start with design.
If you wanna go, I'm down. Darling, we'll make a bigger thing.
We were able to design more easily. Now the same logo can change in any color and can be used anywhere. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave me like and comment. God bless the other video.